Hello fitness enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the military press, a powerful exercise to build strong and defined shoulders. Stick around as we guide you through the proper form, step by step. Grab a barbell and stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Place the bar on your front shoulders, gripping it with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Elbows should be directly below your wrists. Take a deep breath, engage your core, and lift the barbell overhead by fully extending your arms. Your head should move slightly backward to allow the bar to clear your face. This is your starting position. Control the descent by bending your elbows and bringing the bar back down to your front shoulders. Keep the movement slow and controlled to maximize shoulder engagement. Exhale as you press the bar back up overhead. Ensure your elbows remain slightly in front of the bar throughout the movement. Focus on using your shoulder muscles to lift the weight. Perform the desired number of repetitions. Exhale as you press the bar up and inhale as you lower it down. Remember to maintain proper form throughout to avoid unnecessary strain. There you have it, the military press. A fantastic exercise for building strong shoulders. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips. Until next time, keep pressing and stay strong.